What's up, what up, mga kakalots, yo. So, it's already morning, and I'm still making a video, just for you guys. So, so today, we're gonna make this look in the Lightroom mobile. Yeah, so you can use any mobile you want. So, but for me, I'm gonna use an iPad. Yeah, so that my view will be much more bigger. So okay, so let's get started. So so first, we're gonna import our image. So this is the image that I imported. First, I'm going to go to lights, and I'm gonna bring down the exposure maybe. Okay, or not? Okay, contrast. Bring down the highlights, the shadow. Bring down the shadow, or even more here. And I'm gonna bring up the highlight. The whites. So here, okay, maybe let it bring it down. So okay, here, so I'm gonna go to the color. So the color, leave it there. So go to this color wheel, bring it down, go to color green. So in the saturation of green, bring it down, and go to yellow, bring it down again, or you can make it more greenier. Here, down the luminance, you can put it there. So go to the orange, and the orange part is your skin of your subject, so make it more poppier. So there, poppier. So you can go to the aqua, or you can make your sky more pop, or you can not, and go to blue. Okay, you can adjust it. I don't know, it depends what you want. If you want to make your sky more visible, so here, so there. Okay, go to orange again maybe. Yeah, adjust it. Okay, and let's go to light again. We're gonna make the curves, so put in here in the midpoint and the highlights. So in the shadow, midpoint, in highlights. So in the midpoint, you can bring it up, and the shadow point, you can bring it down. The highlights, bring it up. Oh wait, oh my god, it's too harsh. You can, okay, no, I don't want that. So here, it is now the look to the blue. Maybe bring the shadow, put again, maybe bring the shadow here, so like that, maybe not too much. Okay, not too much. Okay, there, it's done. Okay, again, go to effects, make the clarity more poppier, like that, textures like 20 maybe, and put grain. It depends on what you want. So grain is like noise here, I can see, wait. So yeah, see, it make your image more like a vintage look. So yeah, so not that big, maybe if you put the bigger, so my god. Okay, so here, so go to details again, you go to details and sharpening, bring it up, not too much. Yeah, as you can see, so this is the before and this is the after. So yeah, as you can see, you can make the green more pop if you want, but if it's moody, make the luminance more maybe, or bring it down. So yeah, so as you can see guys, this is it, the look that I wanted. Okay, maybe I'm gonna adjust it more, or I can bring it up the shadow a little bit more. Yeah, okay, I can copy the look in this photo to another photo by just copy settings. Okay, and maybe this photo and paste settings. So yeah, as you can see, but it's not too much. You can add it orange, it's dark, and you can add it more if you want. And maybe bring down the highlights. I mean the exposure, not the highlights. Oh my god, washboard. So yeah, see, it's the same. So in here I can paste it again, or I can create a preset. So by pressing this, so I'm gonna put it green, moody look. Yeah, so add it now. So yeah, so that's it. So I create a preset now. So I just paste the settings. See, I can see it's affected it here. So I can bring down the maybe and pop it I don't know, I can bring down the shadow and make the orange more pop here. Oh my god, the noise pop here. Yeah, saturation. Okay, there, can make the green more not visible, or make more blocky. And I'm gonna go to the light and maybe contrast a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, bump it up a little bit. Oh my god. Okay, whites, blacks, not too much maybe. Okay, as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. So I hope guys that you learned something in this tutorial. It's so easy and quick and easy. You can do that in anywhere you want, in your mobile phone. Yeah, so yeah guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment anything you want. Yeah, and thank you for the 60 subscribers. Yay, 60 subscribers. Yeah, thank you for that guys. So thank you for always supporting me in may pisan kaan ko kanang libog. Yeah, libog. I don't know. See, I'm so libog. Yeah, you understand me what is libog. Yeah, you know, the Filipino is understand libog. The Bisaya is understand libog. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, peace out and be safe and stay handsome and stay beautiful and subscribe. Bye.